Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to install your Always Mobile eSIM on an Android phone. For the purposes of this video, we're using a Samsung Galaxy S21 phone. Depending on the make and model of your Android phone, the menus might be slightly different, but we think you'll get the gist of it. Okay, let's get started. In this video, we'll show you two methods to start the installation of your eSIM on your Android phone. The first is using your phone's camera, and the second is scanning the QR code from your email. Open the email from Always Mobile that starts with the subject line, Your New eSIM. Scroll down to the QR code. You will need to scan this code into the device you wish to install the eSIM on. Open the camera app on your phone. Capture the QR code and click on the prompt that appears to begin the installation. Then follow the prompts. The eSIM will install in about a minute. Once the installation is complete, you will see the eSIM listed in your phone settings. To install from your phone's email, open the email from Always Mobile and scroll down to the QR code. Click on the QR code. On the page that appears, scroll down to the installation section and then click on the Android icon. Click Setup and follow the prompts to install the eSIM. To verify installation, from your home screen, click Settings. Then click Connections. Click on SIM Manager. Your new eSIM will be listed there. Your eSIM has now been installed. Thank you.